Well, good morning. Actually, evening. It is 11:04 p.m. on Friday, October 24th, 2025. Uh, got kick started out of bed after having gone to bed. Another one of those little earthquake thingies. Small one, but get up, do what they want you to do, which is get out of the building for a little while, just in case. You know, the women, they go to bed to get their beauty sleep. Old men, we go to bed so that we can have our not being cranky in the morning sleep. Hmm, such fun. Yeah, yeah, I'm not going to be cranky in the morning, but definitely not going to be bright eyed, bushy tailed. That is what it is. Uh, got over and talked with the LTO, uh, Land Transportation Office, which is where you get your driver's license. Apparently, I didn't have everything I needed, so they sent me away. Hmm. Oh well. I have everything I need. I just didn't bring it all with me. Yeah, it's okay. There's tomorrow or, well, Monday or Tuesday. I'm not going to try to go on a Saturday. I don't know. We'll see. uh, yeah, got the driver's license thing going, starting by getting over there and trying. I now know exactly what all I need. I've got it all ready to go, I think. We'll see. Uh, and I talked to a couple of banks. They want me to be here longer, 6 months at least. Oh, and your electric bill and rent payment, because we want to make sure you are where you are so that we can open a bank account. And, if you've been here 6 months, we might think you might actually be sticking around for a while. Hmm, I don't know. It's banks. It is what it is. But yeah, so today we had another little shaky, or this evening we had another little shaky about an hour and 10 minutes ago or something like that. Uh, yeah, such fun. Let's see, what else was there? Basically, been, you know, doing the eat, sleep, feed myself, uh, and go out and do something trivial. You know, not doing a lot this week, but that's okay. It is what it is. Uh, get to go and talk to folks and such. Got my electric bill paid. Oh no, it was up to 50, almost 400, up 300 pesos, a whole $6. I'm so stressed out. Uh, yeah, you can hear it. 5,000, almost 400. So yeah, still less than $100 on electricity. I'm okay with that. I remember being in East Texas, and having to pay an electric bill there, and being up there in the Panhandle and having to pay an electric bill there. Yeah, Panhandle was worse because it actually was hot. In East Texas, it was mainly humid. It was hot, but yeah, not as hot as the Panhandle. I've had a $200 electric bill in the Panhandle. A couple of them back to back. Yeah, that was many years ago. Well, not really many, five. Enough back. Somewhere along in there, I got a more energy efficient air conditioner for my main air conditioner, and then about a year later, I got another one of those inverter types for my bedroom. That one really helped. So, yeah. If you need a window unit, they make one that has part of it on the inside, part of it on the outside, that is a split window unit, and it only covers about that much of a gap between the windows. Actually, works real well. I highly recommend them. I don't remember the name of them, but they're an inverter type, and they actually save you money. So, yeah, uh, between the two of them, more energy efficient 220 unit, and the little 110 inverter type, I was actually in pretty good shape. It dropped my electric bill a good $50 a month between those two. Actually, closer to 70. But yeah, but still, electric bills are no fun, no matter where you're at. But anyway, I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Haven't decided. Uh, yeah, ended up going to the mall for the LTO office and ended up walking by the perfume counter, the little kiosk for the girls selling perfumes. And the cute little thing was saying, "Here, try these." So I stopped and started. Yeah, I said, I like a light fragrance. I don't want something heavy. So what does she do? She pours something in my hand that was way heavy. I don't know if she was trying to mark the territory or not what, but oh my gosh. My hand still smelled like perfume. Like 4 hours later, when I got home and seriously washed it, yeah. But she was cute. Uh, yeah, I don't know if I want to go near the perfume counter again. Yeah, danger, smelly stuff. Danger, smelly stuff. Lots of heavy, smelly stuff. I don't know. She was cute though. Anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna try to get back to bed. Yeah, I was not planning on getting kicked out of sleep. It is what it is. Anyway, Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, do you? It's your choice. Left ear, right ear, heart, head, God. That's your department. Figure it out. Talk with God. It's a good thing. You know. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Later blessings. Bye bye. Oh, more food. I'm fishing. Fish is